how to hack into the most powerful software that is out there. Welcome to We Deserve It or We Deserve IT. And today we want to talk how to hack the most powerful software that is out there. Right, welcome to this channel, We Deserve It or We Deserve IT. And today I want to talk how to hack the most powerful software that is out there. If you're curious what the software is, we will find out very soon. Before we dive into this, if you're new to this channel, let me give you a short introduction of myself. First of all, very welcome. If you want more videos, please make sure to subscribe down here. If you like this channel, if you want to support, I would be very grateful if you subscribe here to keep this channel alive. I'm working in IT for more than 20 years professionally, more than probably close to 30 years privately, but professionally more than 20 years. And so the opinion and the facts that you're getting here are based on a pretty good and long experience. So let's check out how to hack the most powerful software that is out there. The most powerful software that is available is yourself. It's in yourself. It is your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is the most powerful software that is out there. And if you're struggling with any other software and you don't get along and start shouting at your computer, keep in mind that software is always made to help you, to make your life easier. And in the same way, your subconscious mind is there to help you and make your life easier. But sometimes it is programmed in quotations, it's programmed in the wrong way not to support you. If you had experienced before problems with software, problems with computers, you don't like them, you don't know how to get along with them, then your subconscious mind automatically wants to protect you from this bad stuff and doesn't give you really the experience that the software, the programmer made it for. So your subconscious mind is influencing you indirectly without you even knowing it, not to get along with this software. There might be several reasons or experience you had before with computers and software, and these maybe it didn't work on the first try, or you had different expectations to the software and then it didn't do what you thought it could do, and then you started hating or not liking it. So let's get around and fix this issue by hacking into your subconscious mind, the most powerful software that is out there. So how to hack into your subconscious mind? First of all, it is the attitudes that you have towards IT, towards software, towards your computer, everything. So just when you know next time you're working on a software or project or anything, or you use this software and you know, I don't like it, I don't want to work with it, but I have to do your job, your boss is asking you to do these things. So change your attitude towards it. And that's the very first step to hack into your subconscious mind. Is really go to your computer, start the software, and start smiling. Yes, I like it. It's helping me, it's making my life and my job easier so I can succeed in my job. Start smiling at your computer and when you're using this software. Secondly is Relax. Take 3 to 4 deep breaths in and out, like this. Really deeply in and out. And hold your breathing on the peak. Do this 3 to 4 times. Go back to your computer and smile again. And then the next important step is tell yourself, I'm a genius and I apply my wisdom. Well, you might now think, oh, that's crazy, what is this guy telling me? But honestly, try it out. Say to yourself, I'm a genius and I apply my wisdom. Do this. I'm a genius and I apply my wisdom. Write it down in the comment box below, there, up there or there. Write it in the comment box. I'm a genius and I apply my wisdom. Tell it to yourself. Tell it silently to yourself. If you are around with colleagues and you don't want to tell it loud out, that's fine. Or find a place where you're not disturbed and tell it loud to yourself. I'm a genius and I apply my wisdom. And that's the first and very simple step to hack into your subconscious mind and to make friends with software and computers. So do this and tell me about your results. Tell me if it changed anything when you were working on software which you didn't like. So write it down in the comment box, your experiences, or register on my website, we-deserve-it.com. Also, the link will be down in the description and comment box. Sign up and let me know what your experience is. I'm really curious what your experience. So I hope you liked this really short video, and let me know if you want to know more about this and like more videos like this. And I appreciate very much your feedback and your subscription to my channel. Thanks very much and see you in one of the next videos. I hope you liked that video, so do yourself a favor and do me a favor and subscribe and hit the bell notification, because this will inform you about new videos.